Hey there, so now I've got the AF0100. So this is a smaller, more cost-effective version of our PGR 8800. This was developed, with applications like mobile generators in mind. If we wanted to, we could place this unit in a mobile generator and use a point sensor or a fiber optic relay to look for faults inside of a mobile generator. And we'll do two things. We'll take two outputs, one to disconnect the generator from the rest of the system, but we'll also tell the generator to turn off. By reacting quicker, we can prevent catastrophic damage from occurring inside of the generator, which would make repair costs significantly lower. So this is one way you can just add some simple arc flash protection into a mobile generator application.